At Furniture Suite, we are driven by a relentless passion for creating stunning and unique furniture pieces. Our brand story is one of unwavering dedication and meticulous craftsmanship. From the very beginning, we set out to redefine the art of furniture production. Our team of skilled artisans pours their heart and soul into every piece, leaving no room for compromise when it comes to selecting the finest materials. It is their unwavering commitment to excellence that allows us to deliver exceptional results. Step by step, our meticulous process ensures that each creation is a masterpiece in its own right. With every stroke of the chisel and every stitch of upholstery, our artisans bring your vision to life. The result? Breathtaking furniture that not only adds beauty to your space, but also becomes an expression of your unique style. Join us on this journey of passion, dedication, and extraordinary craftsmanship as we create furniture that stands the test of time. Welcome to the world of Furniture Suite.